Hypothetical planets that could exist in our solar system. Our close planetary system is loaded up with a star, 8 planets, some Bantam planets, and heaps of comets and space rocks. A couple of hundreds of years back, individuals felt that in excess of 8 planets existed out there. They wrongly marked space rocks as planets, found non-existent planets, and anticipated the presence of some different planets. A portion of these expectations worked out, like Neptune, which was found after its reality was anticipated. Nonetheless, a lot more have stayed speculative. We accept that a portion of these planets could exist, while we realize that others don't. In any case, we ought to consistently keep our fingers crossed. Number 1. Tyche. Tyche is a theoretical planet lying someplace in the Oort cloud at the edge of the closed planetary system. The planet was proposed in 1999 by 3 astrophysicists from the University of Louisiana. The triplet proposed that Tyche is the size of Jupiter, has multiple times the mass of Jupiter, and circles the Sun once in 1.8 million years. The astrophysicists proposed Tyche to clarify the presence of extensive stretch comets. These comets take more than 200 years to finish a circle round the Sun. Space experts used to accept that extensive stretch comets showed up from arbitrary areas in the nearby planetary group. Notwithstanding, the astrophysicists state that the comets really come from the Oort cloud and are flung toward the Sun by the gravitational power of Tyche. NASA utilized its Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer (WISE) telescope to look for Tyche somewhere in the range of 2012 and 2014. It discovered nothing. Number 2. Theia. Researchers used to accept that the ebb and flow Earth and Moon were made after a planet they called Theia hammered into an early Earth. The impact made the more modest Theia separate, sending parts into space. One of these sections turned into the Moon. Researchers refuted this hypothesis after tests on Moon rocks uncovered that the Earth and Moon were produced using a similar material. Nowadays, researchers accept that Theia hammered into a more established Earth about 4.5 billion years prior. The 2 planets combined to make Earth. The section of Earth later severed to shape the Moon. Number 3. Nibiru. Nibiru is a theoretical planet probably hiding someplace in our close planetary system. While NASA says that it doesn't exist, connivance scholars demanded that it was genuine and would pummel into the Earth in the year 2012. For the record, Nibiru is additionally called Planet X and ought not be mistaken for the theoretical Planet 9 that is likewise called Planet X. We will get to Planet 9 right away. Nibiru was first proposed by Zecharia Sitchin in quite a while 1976 book, The 12th Planet, where he asserted that it circled the Sun like clockwork. Numerous years after the fact, self-broadcasted mystic Nancy Lieder proclaimed that outsiders had cautioned her that Nibiru would pummel into the Earth in 2003. Afterward, she changed the date to 2012. In 2011, Comet 11 passed by Earth and broke separated subsequent to flying excessively near the Sun. Hardliners demanded that the comet was Planet Nibiru on its way to collide with Earth. The way that we are perusing this article implies that Planet Nibiru presumably doesn't exist. Or then again it just missed Earth and will be returning in 3,600 years. Like, share, subscribe to the channel for more videos. Number 4. Planet 9. Planet 9 is another theoretical planet sneaking someplace in our close planetary system. Dissimilar to Nibiru, NASA and space experts from the California Institute of Technology believe that Planet 9 could exist, in spite of the fact that there is no irrefutable proof that it does. Space experts estimated the presence of Planet 9 in the wake of noticing the sporadic circles of 5 sun-oriented particles a long ways past Neptune. Space experts imagine that Planet 9 is a similar size as Uranus or Neptune, has a mass multiple times that of Earth, and is multiple times farther from the Sun than Neptune. They accept that Planet 9 takes 10,000 to 20,000 years to finish a transformation around the Sun. Number 5. Tiamat. The Sumerians accepted that a planet called Tiamat lay among Mars and Jupiter. Be that as it may, there is some discussion about where this planet is today. In his book, Dark Matter, Missing Planets, and New Comets, Tom Van Vlanderen asserted that the planet was obliterated 65 million years prior and turned into the space rock belt. Zecharia Sitchin contested this in his books The 12th Planet and the Cosmic Code. All things considered, he proclaimed that Tiamat had changed circle and is currently Earth. Sechin said that Tiamat changed circle in the wake of crashing into a theoretical planet called Marduk and its 3 moons. Sechin guaranteed that the crash shaped another planet that broke into equal parts. 2 pieces of it drew nearer to the Sun to turn into the Earth and the Moon, while extra flotsam and jetsam turned into the space rock belt. Sechin added that Tiamat's previous moons were additionally flung into new circles. He accepts that one of the moons collided with Mars and made the incredible fracture.